memorable.
Entertainment.
Television. That's my favorite dish. Oh well, on with the show. If I had a gun, I'd shoot myself. Do you know what I did to the last guy that tried that? Why, I tore him limb from limb. How about a loan on the clock, Doc? Go west, young man, go west. I'll bet the guy who said that ain't been west of Hoboken. Not a living thing in sight. Nothing but that tree. I don't like cheesecake.
Hi, Doc. Remember me?
What's in the basket?
Pizza.
What a coincidence. Boom! How about some of that excellent food?
Chickens.
Hey, that's my laugh. You can do that.
Here's your dinner, Papa. Spaghetti and meatballs.
Oh boy, food. That's my favorite dish.
Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sir. That's me. That's me. Keep your hands off. Go lay an egg.
Is it true that speeders go like this?
By the way, we basically got this Ko-Fi page. I'm trying to pay off my debts. Look, I just want at least somebody to support. Look, I am throwing money at your computer. Just, do you not see the money raining in? Come on, you gotta pay up, pay up.